Hello everyone, welcome to the Hindu editorial vocabulary and reading program. The Hindu editorial title is Green Shoots. It's on repealing of Farm 3 laws. First we will move with the vocabulary, then followed by the reading section. The first word is repeal, means revoke or cancel. Controversial means dispute or debatable. Resolution, firm decision. Conflict, disagreement between parties on some issue. Diffused means less tense or calm. Underlying, real but takes time to appear, it's in the background. Unresolved, not settled or not solved. Dispersing, go or move away in different directions. Defeatism, expected to fail, attitude of fearing of fail. Triumphalism, attitude of victory. Reform, make change to improve. Make a change to improve. Reformers. Aggravation, become intense or violence. Distrust means not believing or having no trust. Stalemate, deadlock. There is no progress between the talks. Entrenched, firmly established. Retreat, moving back or withdrawing. Ambiguous, no clarity or not clear. Conversation, a talk between the people. Staple, used or needed, staple food, example. Disparity means not equal. Consensus, different people having the same opinion are coming to the one agreement, that's called as consensus. Sustainability, able to maintain a quality for a period of time, sustainable solutions, example. Hostile, very heated or opposed environment. Geographical, based on geography. Diverse, variety or different. So these are the words which are very important to understand the Hindu editorial. That's a green shoots. Hence I have presented their pronunciation and meaning. Now we will move to the next session called as a reading session. The repeal of three controversial farm laws by Narendra Modi government through a parliamentary resolution has diffused the conflict over them, but the underlying questions regarding the sector remain unresolved. Farmers who had stayed put at sites around the national capital for a year are now dispersing, but not with much clarity on the road ahead. The defeatism of the government and triumphalism of the farm unions and the opposition over the repeal of the laws have created a hostile environment for a long-term resolution to the agriculture practices that are economically and environmentally unsustainable. No reform can be possible without building sufficient political support for it. Unless unlimited state force is used to suppress the opposition, In this instance, the government went ahead without adequate consultations and landed in a stalemate with entrenched farming communities. Any aggravation of the situation would have been dangerous for the stability of the country. But what forced the Bharatiya Janata Party into retreat was its immediate political calculations for assembly elections in Uttar Pradesh and Punjab. But farmers remain ambiguous in their approach to the party. A section of them in western Uttar Pradesh might consider voting for BJP, but for many, the wounds are still fresh and they distrust the distrust the BJP. In Punjab, the BJP has managed to be part of the conversation, but the road to any political reward over the repeal appears long at the moment. Farmers have resolved to review the progress of their agreement with the government in mid-January. Their key remaining their key remaining demand is a legal guarantee of minimum support price for all crops. While the government has promised that the existing minimum support price regime will not be diluted, the questions on extending its coverage and backing it up legally have been left to a committee constituted by the Prime Minister. The committee includes representatives of farmers too. The Indian agriculture sector requires a balance between national development priorities and market linkages and ensure long-term economic sustainability for those employed by it. Wider coverage of minimum support price could encourage farmers in Punjab and Haryana to switch from irrigation intensive and expensive rice to a diverse crop pattern without compromising on the food staple. Water abundant areas could adapt appropriate crops to achieve an ecologically appropriate geographical spread of crops. The existing regional disparity in the sector needs to be addressed. By giving more state attention to regions and crops that are now in a shadow, enhancing agriculture incomes is a shared object of all political parties. And it is most unfortunate that they are unable to put their heads together to achieve this. The calm achieved by rightly repealing the three laws should be wisely used by the center to build a political consensus on the country's agriculture sector. This is all about trading. So the farmers who are protesting at the outskirts of Delhi are moving to their native places. Their sheds and other tents were started dismantling, and they are going to their home with the euphoria and celebrations. Hope the government look into their concern and hopefully they'll fulfill their request. Thank you all for listening. If at all you like it, just subscribe for regular updates.